What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Santa Cruz remote key fob. This key is going to work on the 2022 to 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other things I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver and a small Phillips head screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key, flip the key blade open like that. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to take a look in this space where that key blade just came out of. And taking a close look in here, you can see this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. There's that one, and there's another one just like it back here. This one's a little bit harder to see. But we have those two notches, and that's where I'm going to get the flathead screwdriver in like this and use it to start prying up on this back cover. And then just go back and forth between these, popping that cover up. Then once we get the cover off, we need to remove this cover right here. And this one's held on by two screws. So I'll grab my Phillips head screwdriver and go ahead and remove these two screws. Once we get those two screws out, then this back cover will just pick up off of here like that. Then I'm going to grab my flathead screwdriver again, and I'm going to come over to the side that's near the key blade, and I'm going to get on the edge of the battery like this with the flathead screwdriver, and it'll pop out of there. It doesn't always pop out of there that far, but once you get your battery popped out of there, we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up, and we'll start opposite of how we took it out. We'll start this edge in first that's on the other side of the key blade. Start that edge in first like that, and then snap the key down into place. And then we'll grab this cover. And that just is going to slide in there. You can see that little black tab right there that slides in, and that'll press down. Put our screws back in. And then the last thing we need to do is snap this cover back on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.